It's November, and as we look back in October in the Calgary residential real estate market, we are seeing a change. So what is happening? Are prices dropping? Are sales dropping? Are people still buying houses? Let's find out as we dig deeper into the numbers.
I'm Daniel Kowall.
And I'm Tali Kowall.
We're with Kowall Boutique Real Estate and EXP Realty.
We recently saw the Bank of Canada increase the interest rates again. So what does this mean? For buyers, this will affect their buying power and their overall affordability, as they will qualify for a lower priced home as a result. Will this be enough to bring down inflation to the desirable level? Many experts say no, and that we will see a further rate increase in December. So now, let's chat about the residential real estate market. The Calgary Real Estate Board released their 2022 October Residential Real Estate Report, and they titled it, "Sales Remain Stronger Than Pre-COVID Levels." So let's dig deeper into this. Dan, what does this mean?
So let's look at where sales were at in October 2019, just before the COVID-19 pandemic. We saw total sales of 852, with a benchmark price of $485,500. Looking at where we're at today, we have a total sales of 1,857 in October 2022, and benchmark price of $523,900, which is actually still up 10% over October last year. So as a result, we are still seeing significantly higher activity compared to COVID pre-pandemic levels. In fact, we are on pace for a record year in terms of sales. The year to date at 26,823 sales and only 2 months left. 2022 is sure to be a record year. So what is driving continued strong sales in the post-pandemic era amongst rising interest rates? A large factor is continued migration to Alberta, driven by affordable housing and improved lifestyle. According to Stats Canada, looking at the last year alone, saw a total net migration of 21,660 people migrate to Alberta. Also, in the Global Livability Index for 2022, Calgary was the highest ranked Canadian city and third globally overall. Calgary is a clean city with low traffic, affordable housing, and easy access to the most beautiful places in Canada that include Banff, Canmore, Kananaskis, just to name a few. It's all of these factors that are pulling a large amount of migration to Alberta. We continue to see positive signs of demand in Calgary despite all the negativity in the news and headlines regarding real estate, interest rates, and inflation. We are continuing to see demand in the affordable housing segment, specifically in properties priced below $500,000. These products priced below $500,000 are still in a seller's market. When we look at the upper price ranges above $500,000, we are seeing more balanced conditions. Looking deeper at the affordable segment, let's start with apartments. In the apartment segment, sales continue to rise relative to last year. October sales of 437 apartments outperformed last October by 21%, contributed to the year-to-date sales of 5,462 units sold. Apartment condominium prices remain at nearly 11% higher than October last year, and a benchmark price of $277,800. In this segment, prices are up year over year and buyers are very motivated. Similarly, row townhouses have seen a reduction in new listings and an increase in sales activity. This resulted in lower inventory levels. Prices in this segment overall are 15% higher than this time last year, $361,000. While sales are also up 18% over October last year. Now, what is going on in the detached and semi-detached segments? Detached homes have seen a slow in sales for the 7th consecutive month at 942 units, which is down 29% from October last year. This is resulting in consistent inventory levels and giving buyers lots of choices in this segment. The consistent supply and limited demand is pushing prices downwards, but just slightly to a benchmark price of $623,900. This is still up about 12% from this time last year. We can see that prices are still at historically high levels. We have not lost the price increases that have built up over the past year. Also interesting to note that inventory levels are nearly 35% lower than typical levels recorded for the month. 42% of the detached inventory falls in the upper price ranges of the market, and still see pricing trends varying based on price ranges. The semi-detached, otherwise known as the half duplex segment, has seen sales up slightly from last month at 158. However, still down about 29% from October last year. Benchmark pricing is still relatively consistent at $558,700, still up about 9% from October last year. Still seeing large variations all across the city. Inventory levels continue to fall at 337 units in October.
In conclusion, it is important to note that when we are comparing October's numbers to last October's numbers, last October was the highest month ever as far as sales are concerned, sitting at 33% higher than long-term averages. So when the news reports that sales and prices are down, it's all relative to record highs of last year, and that's what they're comparing it to when they report those numbers. Sales remain steady and active homes on the marketplace are dropping. And for the Calgary market, there is no reason to be concerned, as all economic indicators are positive compared to other major cities in Canada. So don't delay your plans. If you want to buy, do it. If you want to sell, do it. And if you want to invest, there are some great opportunities in the city. Thank you for watching. I hope that our video helped out. If you have more specific questions in your real estate journey, please feel free to reach out to our team at Kowall Boutique Real Estate. And as always, if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, please reach out.